Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your headphones JLab JBuddies Studio 2 with a cable. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone does not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. In the second one, right here at the right ear cup, we have USB-C port, so connect it here. And after that, you can listen to music only by this cable, you don't need to turn on your headphones, and also you can control the volume, so just use volume up button or volume down and you can use it with a cable. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!